So basically what I need to get done is to weld in my front suspension from Mustangs To Fear. It needs to be welded into the frame rails along the top, the sides, and the bottom here. This will hold all my front suspension and the motor mounts and all that. Once that's welded in, I need to position these 31.5 inches apart and weld them to the tops of the frame rails. There's 2 plug holes. I need to weld on the outsides, along the top, down the sides and the bottom. Need that done on both sides. That's the extent of what I need done. I was thinking I would do it myself and discovered this is too important to have an amateur doing it. I actually have the MIG welder up there I've been practicing with. But that's what I need.